Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your name on iCloud. If you're looking for a way to change your name associated with your Apple ID and iCloud, then here's how you can do it. You can do it on your iPhone or your iPad, on a Mac, or on a web browser. In this video, we're doing it on our iPhone. Go ahead and open the Settings app from your app drawer and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Now tap on Name, Phone Numbers, Email option, and then right where you can see the name, tap on it. And then go ahead and enter the new name you would like to change to. You can make any kind of edit you like, and tap on Done at the top right. And there you have successfully changed your name on your iCloud or your Apple ID. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with new episodes. Thank you for watching.